Busy bee.
Camera just stole Morganese.
I hate you the same way you hate. You can't afford it. So it's always on silent.
Those stories.
From the new album. So, good morning, Dwight. Good morning, Spot. Oh, guys, every day I wake up, I do leg raises. Since Monday, my inner abs are so painful, even when I laugh. But yeah, I'm just keeping on going. Let's do it again. Sometimes I get so lazy, I just do them here in bed, and I'm like, as long as we don't judge people in this channel. Let's go. Okay. Six, seven, 10, 12. So I do 4 sets of 12s. That's what I do. But let me get off this camera and focus because I'm gonna go shower now. It's around like 6:15. Bye.
What my limit is, but the sister said you need to roll it down.
Is it?
Like, I can't start myself.
got some. Like, you must know that I never been to the Padel sports. What word? The Old Mutual Sports. I'm on my way there, like 7 minutes late. But you know, in my defense, they told me today. So, Kifikile. I see it. Now, where do we enter and stuff? Padel life, padel life, padel life. My dog. Hi, Miriam. Yes. How are you? Good, good. See you. The video. Let's do this.
I'm playing against you, Kesana. My angel.
O2, we're gonna have Ishan and
Sebastian.
on the team against and code 3, we're gonna have Roman and Sheila and
I kind of suck, but this was fun. Fun. So tired. Oh my god. Oh, we had so much fun, you guys. Oh. Good goodies.
It was.
So the girls and I doing that.
No. You know me in Kazela, guys, so can I let me email?
You know this. Oh. Love it. They're so cute. I am back at the office now, so I'm just gonna finish up what I need to finish up because but I did I'm just gonna finish up the admin that I need to do, and then just when I get home there's nothing for me to do. It is what it is, but I keep going on like a rolling stone because I have no stopping. Can nobody stop me? Why is this so painful? I got to run my race. Let's go consonants, but the riches and guano. I have spent my life, I got it. I know you miss me, I know. Remember you're not traveling. Let's go. really crazy. I'm crazy. Been a couple years in a cry. I am supposed to hang out with Balesa today. I can't wait to see her. I was with her last night. Come here, just down, fasten up your belts. I'm loyal, we got the sauce. Morning. I am so tired. I'm so tired. I'm just going to copy and paste everything. Literally. I hope nobody calls me too. I'm gonna eat the scones that my mom baked for me, the sugarless scones. What a woman, when a woman loves. Because we are to kissing cars and downtown bars, that's all we needed. You drew stars around my skies, and now I'm bleeding. Cause I knew you, and like a bloodstained eye, I knew you, tried to change the ending and meaningless it went the I knew you, living like a father, running down water. When you are young, they assume you know nothing. Cause I knew you would linger like a tattoo kiss. My word is, we'll hang around this time. Cause I knew everything when I was young. I knew I cared so for the longest time. Cause I knew you come back to me. You come back to me. You come back to me. And you come back. Listen to this cat. What is she saying? Delo, get the hold of me, please. Delo, get the hold of me. Is this still false? Oh my god. Make a Netflix documentary out of this. Yeah. Do you know how much you say no? She's talking about. You know what I mean? Do you realize I said? And I'll do what? Like that's using someone. But if you constantly like, are you safe? He's also very ruled by emotions and stuff. Like it shows that you see something like that. Why are you confident? Because some things you can think to yourself, be a twisted person inside, but to put like to just show it, like you don't care what people think of you. I'm gonna make sure that is on YouTube and stuff. And but I don't but lying when she says she said nothing. Yeah. But I'm just saying that I don't think you've seen or heard. Oh, are you saying that it's not lost? Is that what you're saying? That you are hearing or seeing or feel like that. So now you have to. Not Facebook though. You see what I told you? And you should be safe. I'm gonna marry. I'm gonna marry. No? But I'll keep you updated on the email. As long as you're safe. Yes. Under someone's bed, you put me on his. My baby Speed keeps on sending me pay this account, and I'm like, the medical aid paid that, so what are you guys talking about?
We the best music, DJ Cat.
I hope you know about the tagging. You know this cookies for the bagging. Kitty, kitty, baby, get her things to rest. have to hop around town, I hear it, ya.
I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard it got these other niggas going crazy. Yeah, I treat you like a lady, lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Make it cream, yeah, Wu-Tang. Throw that ass back, bouquet. Call me and I can get it Tuesday. I can tell you gone off the doors.
I hope you know I'm for the taking. You know this cookie's for the begging.
I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard it got these other niggas going crazy.
I hope you know I'm for the taking. You know this cookie's for the begging.
Yeah, I treat you like a lady, lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation.
I know I
Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Careful, mama, why what you say? You talking to me like your new babe. You talking like you tryna do things. Now that pipe gotta run it like she Usain, baby. You made me drown in it, ooh, touche, baby. I'm carrying that water, Bobby Boucher, baby. And you know I'ma slaughter like I'm Jason. Bustin' why you got it on safety.
I don't know if you could take and be around you. I'm too little to dim down a notch. Cause I can into things that I'm gon' do. What? I hope you know I'm for the taking. You know this cookie's for the begging.
I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard it got these other niggas going crazy.
I hope you know I'm for the taking. You know this cookie's for the begging.
Yeah, I treat you like a lady, lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation.
Yeah, wanna know what it's like? Show me what it's like. I don't wanna got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. I just been fantasize, and we got a lot of time. Baby, can go to bed, 'cause I know what it's like. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know.
Oh, you see, Colette, don't worry. Cameron just told Morgan he's the father.
No, I didn't.
Am I the father? Well, it didn't work out for us in this one, but hopefully I'll see you in the next life. Until then, I'll just say namaste.
Bro, helping the less fortunate.
That sounds nice.
Gone. Disease. Gone. Kidnapping.
Looks so Good morning, Dwight. We are going to Tygerberg Nature Reserve. My Uber just dropped me like there, and now I think it's there where I'm going. But let me just go. But anyway, I'm meeting Andy. We are hiking. We are hiking today. This area is gorgeous. We need to stay in this area. It's gorgeous. And the weather today is perfect. Like you see, there's no sun, but it's not cold or anything. Love it, love it, love it. Let me try to find Andy. I just think I look really hot as a person who is hungover, by the way. Was drinking last night with Palesa. And yeah, but I'll be okay.
Please tell me, why did you wake up with a hangover?
Because yesterday I went to go see my friend Palesa, and they were drinking, and they're like, no, just have a drink. And I'm like, guys, I'm waking up in the morning.
Is Palesa also a hiker?
No, she's not. Yo, I've been trying to recruit her. The only thing she does is walks, like really, really slow walks. Not even a power walk or anything.
She must come walk here.
Right? I'm gonna tell her, because whenever I come back, she's like, you don't include me in things. I'm like, but you always say that. No, I can't do that. So I will tell her. You can't afford to not.
And they're silent.
So silent. That is the N1.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
I mean, a view is a view.
A view is a view.
Yeah, I guess. it's
a check. Run me that check.
You know?
Yeah. Story isn't real. Gun signal. Okay, this sounds really... So they only returned it in 2012? How? Huh? No. I just want to see what... So how does this thing even work? They load it where?
They load it from the front. It's supposed to be loaded from the front.
Okay, and then what do they do after loading?
So the load, from what I've watched and seen, right, there's supposed to be a section there where you can burn it. Right?
Yes,
and it explodes from there to push whatever's in here to the Ndonton. So I think this one, I want to say, it's not necessarily the real deal.
Okay.
It's kind of like a monumental type of vibe, you know, like the idea of this is what a cannon.
Yeah. They're so quiet.
Because they feel like they're in danger. Really get them for not allowing it.
Because, I mean, anything can happen, yeah.
Anything can happen, and we are very diabolical, eh?
What a chill Saturday. Good. Oh, guys, it's just us. There's a bee as well.
There's a bee?
Yeah. A busy bee.
So pretty.
Dude. Come here, you.
need to know what plants attracts butterflies because those are the plants I want in my yard.
Yeah.
Those are the plants I want in my
Me too. So unexpected. I can smell the coffee. Yeah. So it's a good one.
I don't even think it rains.
Guys, I'm at Welcome. Yeah. Waiting for my Uber now.
Please visit www.bccsa.ca.
Did it catch on now? Oh, this area doesn't have really good network also. Yeah.
Communities apart. It happened. Shows and interviews around GBV with experts, survivors, lawmakers, and a whole country affected by gender-based violence. All on your favorite SABC radio stations. Call 0800 428 428 to report abuse or get help. Gender-based violence. It ends with you. This message is brought to you by the SABC. Number 32.
So where do you stay?
Upload.
Upload. It was like it was starting to rain. I don't know what was happening.
Yeah, this weather for the best bed.
From the new album of Taylor Swift.
Okay.
Oh, I hope they play it before I get home. But you know her.
Yeah.
But you were enjoying that Drake song.
Which one? This song?
That other Drake song. What?
I like Drake, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I know I gave you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me that the yes, yes. I try to.
So I just got back. I want to sleep and I should sleep. The sleep after a hike is always the best. But what I'm going to do is I need to do laundry and just tidy up my place. So I'm going to do that while I do the laundry thing.
Drop me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. You don't need no other body. Then I need a mess of my mind. I mean, if you get free of the mind, say your body talk to me nice. Say I'm my love, you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love to be like.
I really enjoy vlogging and stuff. Today is 6/07 November. 26/27. There is an event in Joburg, the UPSIP event that I was cordially invited to, and I'm trying to go. I've got the money to buy the flight tickets and stuff, although it's gonna be pricey. I was checking the flights now, and I was like, it's fine. I want to spend that money because I want to go to Joburg, but the onus now is on my manager to grant my leave. But also, it's not like a much personal thing because it's work related in a way. So please.
Never done. Told a story about someone else? No, I sent the pilot a boob pic. So much smaller in here than I remembered it. Like returning to your old high school. Or your old high school boyfriend's penis. Not mine, I went to an urban high school. What's that weird smell? Probably that milk. It's been in here so long, its own photo is on the carton.
Ribeye and pulled pork and not make any comparison to my junk?
I'll be over here eating healthy in my booth. Max, what are we gonna do without a working shower? Where will I cry? And where will I hide from you?
Girls, if you need a shower, there are wonderful facilities at my new gym. They even give me a 6:15 wake-up call and body workout.
I'll give you a wake-up call right now. Sleep in. With that body, nothing's gonna work out.
Well, I have two friends.
Guys, there's oat bran. What are we getting? Rolled oats. Gluten free. Oh my Shayla, we are so up. But it do sana. Oh my Shayla. But also like, do they have sugar? Probiotics. Oh wow. Like I want this bran flakes. Where? Where?
Those of us here have a match.
Hey! I had to stop and check ukuthi asidluli na kulo one wethu. Our little one, we don't even want much. Just the one, but ingathi we just keep going and going.
Ibhizinesi yami soyiphokishile fa
Done.
abantu bami ndiyabazi.
Done.
Okay, thank you.
Everything spot on.